Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing a friend sister's makeup, and I'll be using the pond to prep the eyebrows. Then I'm going to take my brow pencil and outline and fill the brows. Then I'm going to take a concealer shade from that palette. I'm going to use that to define my brows. Then I'm going to just buff it out to the brush when I'm done. Then I'm going to take my Ezekiel foundation. I'm going to use that to conceal on top of my brows. And I'm just going to take my beauty glaze palette and I'm going to take a dark red shade from there. Now I'll be applying that on my crease. Then I'm going to create a cut crease. When I'm done doing this, I'm going to create a cut crease using that same concealer shade I used from earlier. Then I'm going to just I'll create the cut crease in flat brush and the same concealer. Then I'll take my masquerade, my Juvia's Place masquerade palette, and I'm going to take 3 shades from there, 2 blue shades and a purple shade, and I'm going to be applying them layer by layer on top of each other. After which I'm going to take a dark brown shade from that same palette and I'm going to use that to just blend out that red shade, because I really want the look to blend into each other. So I'm going to use that to blend it into the cut crease and all. Then I'm going to take a powder shade. I'm going to use it to blend all my shadows even to the outer region, so it just defines everything more. When I'm done with that, I'm just going to line my eyes, and I'm not doing a slim liner today. My liner is going to be a bit. So after which I'm just going to fix my lashes, and then I'll So now we are going to get started with the skin work, and I'm going to be using my pond and also my ZK primer, and I'm going to be using that to just prep our skin. I'm using that to prep our skin. Then after which I will go in with the ZK foundation, and I'm going to just use that with the beauty blender on our skin. Yeah. Now I'm going to take my Elegant Pro concealer and I'm going to use that to highlight our face. Then I'm going to blend it in, of course. Then I'm going to take my black opacity foundation. I'm going to use that to contour our face. So next I'm going to take the ZK powder palette and I'm going to use the dark shade to set my contour, and I'm going to use the natural shade from that same palette to set my whole face. So guys, I ended up doing the leaves off camera, and I did a lot of things off camera. It wasn't like my intention actually. So I actually added black liner to underneath of her eyes. Yeah, I added black liner, then I outlined her lips, then also added blush to her face, like the cheekbones, and then I also highlighted the face and the places I always add light. Then that was when I was done with everything. After I set my face with Ezekiel setting spray, then I Then I decided, guys, the look was looking so calm, so I decided to add some sparkles. And then I decided to add the glitters, and I just added my glitter primer, and that was it. So guys, hope you enjoyed watching this like mini tutorial. I made it as short as I could, and I tried not to leave out any detail. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and then also subscribe to my channel if you are yet to subscribe, and then share, please share with friends and families, and also leave down a comment, anything at all. Just leave down a comment, anything at all, opinions, just leave down your comments. So thank you so much for watching. See you.